Welcome back to my vanilla shower routine. First, I will start off with the double cleansing. I'll be using Dr. Bronner's and Dove Sensitive. I am a sensitive skin girly, break out easily, acne marks on my body, all those things. But I feel like with double cleansing, I can thoroughly clean my skin without stripping it of its moisture. And I like to go in first with that, as well as thoroughly rinsing my skin off. I love using this shower tool. I can't remember the last time I took a shower and used a rag. I have been using African nuts as well as this shower tool. It's super hygienic and it doesn't harbor those bacteria from your body. I next go in with my scrubber. For my scrub routine today, I'll be using TPH body scrub. This is a nice warm vanilla scent. It's not too overwhelming. It's very subtle. And I'm gonna just scrub everywhere that I'm gonna be shaving, which is my legs, my thighs, and maybe even my stomach area. I like to scrub before I shave because it helps open up my pores and my skin follicles. And I also feel like it just leaves my skin so soft and just smooth. That shaving process is going to be so easy and quick. Next, I'm going to thoroughly rinse my body off, and then I'm going to go in with the EOS shaving cream. We won't never write no statement. We ain't showing up in court. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up. This is a new product I added to my routine. This shaving cream does not come in a regular shaving bottle, but the more you squeeze it out and you rub it together, it actually turns into that foamy shaving cream. It was really interesting. I have to say that I was influenced by this because I have the EOS Vanilla Cashmere lotion and it smells so good. I like using it sometimes more than I use my Fenty because, you know, she only come out with those at the holiday season and I be trying to keep my little Fenty to myself and not use it up. If you have not tried the EOS lotion, please go ahead and pick that up and smell it. I kid you not, this will be like a life-changing lotion for you. You're gonna love vanilla scented everything after you try that lotion. Next, I will be using my SHLICK razor. I love this razor because it is interchangeable. If you use this razor today, you can always pick up a replacement razor, and I love that about it. I also love that, as you can see, that chunky like white stuff is, I guess, shaving cream. So as you're shaving, it has their own layer of shaving cream that moisturizes and just makes for a very smooth shaving process. Next, we're gonna use the TPH body lotion. This is in shower body lotion. And what's interesting about this is it doesn't leave your body sticky. So you can use it after you do everything. And of course you wanna rinse it off afterwards. But I feel like it just helps me lock in that extra moisture. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that in shower lotion off. And then I'm gonna use my perfume body spray and my oil. Now this body spray I use while I'm still wet because I want it to seep into my skin and into my pores, and then I'm gonna lock it in with a little body oil. Break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up.